Welcome to the Cardinal Minute with your host and chair of the University of Louisville Department of Medicine, Dr. Kim Williams.
Good morning and welcome to the Cardinal Minute. I'm Dr. Kim Williams, chair of medicine at University of Louisville with Dr. Callen, our dermatology chief, and our guest speaker, Dr. Alina Markova, who is actually talking about oncodermatology. Would you like to summarize your lecture for us?
I would be thrilled to. I spoke on dermatologic toxicities to immunotherapy. So dermatologic toxicities are oftentimes the first to present, and they are the most frequent. They can be associated with other systemic involvement. And as dermatologists and oncologists, we have to partner to find ways to treat these quickly with the least amount of toxicity. Ideally avoiding systemic steroids, optimizing topicals, and using novel therapies based on other features, including their histology, their cytokines, and also their symptom.
Well, right. Fantastic. Thank you very much for presenting the 2023 Jeffrey P. Callen Lecture.
Thank you for having me.